Hello, welcome to Business Communication with me, Dr. Premanand. And today we are going to talk about business communication, what business communication is, and a form of business communication. So, what is business communication? Business communication is a process of sharing information between people within and outside a company. So, there will be lots of business to transact between inside a company or between you and an external person. So, all these things related to business, the whole gamut of it is termed business communication. Now, what is effective business communication? And effective business communication is how employees and management interact to reach organizational goals. And the purpose of an effective business communication is to improve organizational practices and reduce errors. So, in business communications, how you interact with your employees, how the management reacts with the employees, how the employees react to the management, and the relationship between the manager and the customer, the employees and the customers, and different organizational practices, and the whole thing combined. Minimizing errors is termed as effective business communication. So, once again, effective business communication is how employees and management interact to reach organizational goals. Its purpose is to improve organizational practices and reduce errors. Now, we know that business communication is very important because it helps managers to carry out their basic functions within the organization. The managers have specific information pertaining to tasks as well as the entire organization itself, and they managers must seek to communicate this information to the employees of the organization. So, you as a manager has a lot of work upon you, in the sense that you need to take care of the entire organization and you need to communicate information from one point to another so that the well-being of the organization is okay, and the well-being of the organization is also acceptable to the consumers also, and to your advertisers also, and to your other business folk also. So, in business communication, you have the written form of business communication, you have the verbal form of communication, you have a non-verbal form of communication, and you also have the visual form of communication. So, these four together is termed as business communication. So, business communication consists of written communication, verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and visual communication. Today we are going to talk more about written communication. So that's the first item that we are going to discuss in business communication, which is written communication. In written communication, the art of writing, or let's say an office order, or instructions in writing through letters or emails, or circulars, or notices, or reports, or office memos. All these things are included in written communications. Office orders, instructions in writing through letters or emails, circulars, or notices, reports, office memos. All these things are included in written communication. Now, this would be a common university question: which is the most common form of written communication in business these days? Of course, we know that the most important form of written communication these days is email. Now, it's very clear that nowadays people are extremely busy and people respond to emails with brevity. They do not write too much. The emails are straightforward and to the point, and usually short. According to the biography of Elon Musk, founder of Tesla, usually the reply for a normal email is just okay, is just enough for the other person also to understand that the contents of the email has been received, or that the things that has been decided in between them are okay. So in business communication, one of the major factors of business communication is written communication, and in written communication, emails are the most important one. Thank you. Please subscribe so that you will get the information of the other aspects of business communication too. Thank you. Bye.